We need food and water, please. Alright, people, so we are talking about the people so them want help in Santa Cruz, so that we want food and water, please, and thank you. So, them just get little things from a boss by a while ago. I think because all of them places underwater, man.
Yeah, just straight.
Pure water.
Right now, we never there on this morning. As you can see, we have to come out. Around this, so we live in
Okay, so on a clean it here so that runs so can run come out.
Everything they got right. Just a try come back together.
So people them don't Lacovia people. And I hear the people in Lacovia them need help as well. And a joke thing on you can't see for yourself. No. So you know that's the name again now, my G? Jaya, make people them know what going on, man. Make people them know. Alright, know yourself. Alright. Robbie Hill?
Yeah.
So Robbie Hill underwater too?
No.
But the place? Yeah, breakaway.
A hill go up to that name community
called
Cornwall.
Oh, okay.
We want this guy up here, you know?
Oh, so you can drive or like bike and everything?
You can drive, but
regular vehicle can go. Yeah, tall vehicle have to go up there.
Upon exploration across the island, don't miss this history.
So come on and check out this channel, Duali's YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though, to like, subscribe, comment and share. You hear? Thank you.
Wagwan, my Jamaican people, wagwan world. Now guys, today, you know, another day. You don't know, another update. Now guys, we're there, as you can see, Spur Tree Hill we're there now guys, overlooking St. Elizabeth, parts of St. Elizabeth. We're there right on Spur Tree Hill now guys. Guess what now? Hurricane Melissa, you don't know, devastated parts of the country. Now guys, we are head to Santa Cruz. We have a few stops we are going to make, but we are head to Santa Cruz first for people. We are going to show you what go on Santa Cruz side. You understand? We are going to show you what go on Santa Cruz side. Now a lot of cleanup go on already, so I know what I'm saying. A lot of the things on the see, like what it, you know, happening at the aftermath, like right in the aftermath in the same week or so. You understand? This is about week 3 we in right now. But I'm gonna show you what going in a St. Elizabeth same where I start at Santa Cruz, my people. You see me? That's a junction on the side there. So we're heading over that side, Santa Cruz. Alright, so stick around, tag along. Yeah man, so down Spur Tree Hill we going now guys. Down Spur Tree Hill we go. Now guys, don't pay that beeping sound anymore. It's not like I'm now wear my seatbelt. Yeah, I'm now wear my seatbelt, but guess what I'm now? The chunk of the vehicle. So that causes beeping sound. And yeah, the chunk basically I give me some problem with people, so and I can't lock it either, so forgive me with the beeping sound, but yeah, we're heading down Winston Jones right now. I mean, Spur Tree. We're heading down Spur Tree Hill right now, my peeps. already seeing the changes in the environment right now. Look at that post right here. Roof gone. We're almost in Santa Cruz town right now. Roof gone. So everything, almost every building we have on a regular zinc roof. So far out, I see it affected. That's another house over here, but people look. Roof completely gone. Roof completely gone right now. I'm in the traffic. No, this is the weekend, guys. This is Saturday. This is Saturday, November the 15th. Yeah, I realize a lot of people, you don't know, coming down in groups to go, you know, give away relief supplies and stuff like that. Yeah, man, the roof totally gone. Alright guys, so as you can see, a lot of cleaning up work going in the town already. Yeah man, a lot of cleaning up work going in the town already. Them still not have electricity yet. Them still not have electricity yet. But a lot of cleaning up work going, as you guys can see. Alright, so this is Coke Street now, guys. Checking out Coke Street right now. Yeah, man, most of the debris and thing with the day in the streets, them gone right now. Clean up. As you guys can see. Alright guys, so we're going on back onto Main Street right now. man, so far the place look, the town look kinda back to normal in terms of the cleaning up work and thing. And now guys, remember this is just the town of Santa Cruz, not just inside the town. Remember you have surrounding area of the town, you know, where we wanna really see right now. Yeah, but most of the cleanup work gone. Yeah. We don't really see a lot of debris on the roadside. So we see a little over there, a little mud and dirt and things still on that side there, and in this section, okay, you know, so Santa Cruz in a little valley like, yeah man, so we still see some mud and silt and thing in that area here. But not seeing much damage done to these buildings. Most of these buildings are over Jamaican National Lacovia. Only for modern thing over there. Over that side of Lacovia. Over that side of Lacovia, my people will go over there, go to walk on. So it seems like most of the water, yeah man, it seems like most of the water run through this section. Jaja, low and mud and silt and thing, could it? All of this dig up. Mighty God. So yeah, my people, so it seems like through the area here, most of the water run through in the town. One of them shop the flood out. Jaja. So what going my people? Around after the water really traveling from out of the town, because that's at the center of the town. And if you don't understand, the town is in a like a valley like. That's a kind of lowest point of the town right there, so. When I go up that way there, kind of a little slope, and then go back that side there. Well, that way is towards Lacovia. That way is towards Junction. This is kind of the lowest point of the town. And it seems like right through here, so the water around my people. Look. Now this is crazy. So all of them people here still a clean up. And look at modern thing, man. Ja. Alright guys, so this is just one section of the town. We're going to check out another, other sections of the town. See exactly what we're going. Remember guys, I don't want to no bash me. And I must say this sound that we are here is basically the doors, not my seatbelt. I want my seatbelt, my people, alright? I want my seatbelt. So we are going back in the town now. Ja. Back onto Main Street. Still locked down because a lot of the water, understand, to go through mothers and people. Mothers still locked down. Alright, so the good thing is that actually I see vendors still out here. That is good. Shajam still I see vendors. But now I see as much, but not if because the police up on the road right now because there's a cop right there. You see me, but nah, see as much on the roadside like nah man, but as I say, I don't know if I because of the police but we are head down to the market right now. So the fence line used to be at the bus stop, flat out. Fence line like that used to be at the bus stop, flat out, my people. Ja. Still I see a lot of modern things on the roadside. Inside of the bus park and them things the same way. Well, as I say, I see people at the market with stuff, which is good. That is actually the best thing right now, the fact that food are coming at the market. Yeah man, food are coming at the market, man, that is actually good, man. Alright my people, so you can still see signs of the effect. As I say, a lot of cleaning up work going, but you can still see signs. You don't know, cleaning up work still are going, still takes place. But you can still see signs of the mud and debris and things in a section of the town. Some section of the road cut where as well, as you guys can see. and debris and places. And this is in the vicinity of the bus park, the transport center. Yeah, man, but food in the market, guys, as you can see, food in the market. Sections of the roof over there are gone as well. Gas station, roof, gone. So most of the buildings the most so far. Once and a zinc, them still alright. See another one over there, so that one is gone as well, the people. Totally. You can see the people in my bounce back still in there because you can see that on few of the buildings, the people them actually have put on back the roof them. Because this church here, you can see them put on a couple lengths of zinc on it. See another building over there, so totally gone. Wow. Oh guys, so this is Santa Cruz on the outskirts of Santa Cruz town. Just show you guys, you know, some of the areas that might be affected in and around Santa Cruz. Now guys, isn't this ironic? Now this land and house is for sale. Now look at this. Underwater right now, my people. Trees down, roof gone, power lines still down. Power lines still down. So far the people them seems like them are build up. No joke. People them seems like them are build up. And this is Rock Hill. Rocky Hill? Yeah, Rocky Hill. That's just a little bit out of Santa Cruz towards Lacovia. So we are talking about, guys, power lines still down. I'm going to show you something again. Alright guys, so this is another section of Rocky Hill. Now, just out of Santa Cruz. Now look at this again, guys. Look at that. Water. Hey, water, there's some place you'd never imagine or never see before. Pure water that's behind the building, them people. Pure water that behind the building, them I'm right on the roadside right here. Rocky Hill. St. Elizabeth. Just like a mile out of Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz is that way. And that's towards Lacovia. Look at that, my people. Water, water, water. Roof gone. Power lines down. So see, we're basically walking on power lines right now. So you know, see a lot of work in the area for JPS. And So, the roadway is clear. We still have a lot of debris and stuff on the roadside because a couple of those people just moving them out of the road so that people can pass. Look at that. Roof gone. Water. Look at water. Lone water that behind the house now, people. Lone water that behind the house. Cha-cha. It's the person here holding a sign, my guys. We need food and water, please. And that's in St. Elizabeth. Signs that say, we need food and water, please. Yeah, man, we are sure one, man. Alright, people, so the people them just stopped me a while ago. People them a show what I want to show, say, yo, them need help. And this is in a Santa Cruz. This is Santa Cruz, and Santa Cruz people must say them need help as well. See that was a shop right there. So basically them just a fix back and thing. Alright guys, so I know a lot of people have showcase Westmoreland on them side there. And everybody a pass I go Westmoreland on them side there. But guess what, people them in a Santa Cruz, I said them need help. So see what I want signs of, you know, devastation. And we can show what I going around about there, auntie. Oh, up here's the name again, Rocky Hill Park. Okay. So up here's the name Park where people will show know what going on. People them need help down that side as well, so I realize myself, I see a lot of people. And as I see around at the background, there's pure water around there. A lot of people just a drive past. Alright guys, so we're don't have the resident them, you know. Where's the name again? Rock? No, not Rock. Park. So about approximately 2 miles from out of Santa Cruz, guys. And as you can see, people them there, as I say, placard, hearing, and generally, you want to tell them your name generally, you also want to tell them what go on. Yeah? So man I say, you want help. People in that area want help. Make people know.
Even all this man Andrew owns his wife, there's a pass. They don't attack us, so they don't
it's
not all.
So man basically I say,
Look how
the people them basically a pass. Everybody a pass.
Over here, sir. My aunt house here.
Yeah?
This is my aunt house.
Yeah.
Yes. And up further now, more further on the right out here, sir.
Yeah.
My mother's house.
I mean, say everybody a pass and nobody now stop and assist nobody this side.
wife pass through and
Right now, I just a top on.
I just like
I'll get to put over.
fire side, we stop here and give you all a
So even tap all into the help on them.
Yeah, top on will help me for the time being.
Yeah. That down here, so. Alright. Yeah. Yeah.
Right up here, so my house.
Where are you at yourself? What's your damage?
Yeah, man, you can walk to my room.
Alright guys, so we basically just a walk and a show now. Just a walk and a show now, my people. Santa Cruz people, them say them need help as well. Alright guys, you wanna see? At the man house that, you know. Just the front part alone, Avan zinc. The back part, chop all in. As you can see, most of the fruit tree them and thing tear down. People them say them need help in that area to my people. So when I get help, think about Santa Cruz people. So we are talking about people. People them basically do it with placards. Asking for help. So it's no joke thing, you know, my people. The people that do it, that's a whole of placard for no reason at all. Look at that. That's another house down there. Right on the roadside, my people. Enough for the roof gone. There's another one right there. Part of the roof they're gone as well. Alright, people, so we are talking about the people them, so they want help in Santa Cruz, so that we want food and water, please and thank you. So them just get little things from passed by a while ago. Then people are ask for help in a park. Yeah, in a park district. Alright. So down this a river or just a regular place?
A river man, a swamp.
Okay, so there was a river down there and it come over. Oh. Oh yeah, I say.
Everything done. What I say that?
Yeah.
The house where top come out clean. You go down there.
Yes man, I go right down there a while ago, man.
Go so and go down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright then, we are past through.
Yeah man, watch your road.
See, I have some people stopping and giving out assistance along the way. Some people stopping and giving out assistance along the way. Alright guys, so this is actually what we are talking about. Right on the roadside. Rocky Hill road right now. So the man them basically say there's a river down there. But the water overflowed, hit the banks, and look, water this right on the roadside, my people. Actually right on the roadside. So even if the people them have them animals, cows, and man them say them animals them are dead down a bush down there, so they don't know drown off and thing. If them even have animals down there, definitely them would have drown off. If they even have crops and stuff down there underwater now. So I'm gonna see people what time it is. So Santa Cruz need help. Santa Cruz need help, my people. So if you're not out there, don't just drive past Santa Cruz or the surroundings of Santa Cruz and stop and give them some help. Alright now guys, see so I'm going, hey, right now we're going deeper and deeper west. Right now with the Lacovia people. Right now with the Lacovia, I'm gonna tell you. Like the further west we go, the worse the situation is, my people. The further west we go is the worse the situation gets. Look at this. Nah man, what is this? Oh my gosh. This is crazy. And people them actually up on the roadside stopping vehicles asking for help. People them up on the roadside basically stop vehicle and ask for help. Them not totally roofless, them partially roofless. Alright guys, so I know a lot of you guys want to know past Lacovia One must know the church here. Once in the past, Lacovia, one must know the church here, St. Thomas Anglican Church in Lacovia, right beside the infant school. Now that, look at it, totally roofless. Totally roofless, like some of the other buildings in Lacovia. Look at that. Wrong it, them a people. On the ground with the people are showing how we're going in Santa Cruz and Lacovia. Now this is in Lacovia. Look at these. Totally roofless. So we're going with people. Place. Mash up. Look at these. Place mash up. The reconstruction are going. But the place mash up. So we're going people, the reconstruction are going, but the place mash up. Look at that, the people in there, in the front of them yard. And chapel in. Look at that building there. Totally roofless. Now, as you guys can see now people, as you guys can see, Santa Cruz people, Lacovia people need help. Santa Cruz and Lacovia people need help. So don't just pass them by. Stop and give them some help. Alright my peeps? Stop and give them some help. Alright guys, and let me tell you this. I'm telling you this. There's that thing named pride, shame, dignity. A lot of these people ask for help and want help in my people, but guess what? A lot of them don't want to come on camera because on a regular basis, the people them know want to beg out loud or beg make people know say them in a need. But them actually in need. So a lot of persons don't really want them on camera, but they're talking to me. You see me? Off camera. And the people them need help. People them need help, man. And we have to understand. We have to understand so not everybody want for them on camera. You understand? Remember people them have them pride, them have them dignity, them have shame. And that's one of the reasons why a lot of them don't want them on the camera. But we have to understand. We have to understand. Now guys, I'm showing you what going on in Santa Cruz and Lacovia. Make sure you can, if you're not passing and you can help my people, make sure you stop in them area here. Santa Cruz, Lacovia, in and around Santa Cruz. Help the people, them don't just have drive past because I witnessed it as well. People them just a drive past and go towards Black River end, towards South end. And stop, get the people them from Santa and in and around Santa Cruz some help as well. So we're out here my people. We're out here. See you guys in another one. Make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that notification bell. See you again next time in another community. Now we are going to do a few of these communities affected by Hurricane Melissa, so stay tuned. Jaja people, I want to tell you say, watching the devastation on camera. Watching the devastation on camera is totally, I must say totally, I mean totally different from being on the ground in the people. I know that roofless, that is roofless. witnessing the devastation on the ground is like totally different from seeing it on camera, because me I tell you, when I see it on camera and things say it bad, but me I tell you, so once I come on the ground, people, it's not just bad, it's terrible. I mean, look at the people them roof that, you know, and the people them roof that, and that was a business place at the roof that. Look on them house over there, so roof them gone, every tree dropped down like that. The 1 and 2 coconut tree. Look at that, it's another business place right here. Roof gone. So my people, seeing it on camera, even me, before I come down here, I see it on camera. Yo, it did look bad, but I tell you, say, being here now, thing terrible, brother. Thing terrible. So I go on, people them yard flat out.
It connects to Carnival Road to Jayava here.
So this connected to Carnival Road and Jayava.
Yeah.
That's
Because the boat lane that underwater, yeah. So, as you can see, look, see how the cover sound, man. Look how them go down.
see, because all of them places underwater, man.
Yeah,
Cha-cha.
just straight.
Pure water.
Right now, we never there on this morning. As you can see, we have to come out. Around this, so we don't even have to.
Okay, so I'm gonna clean it here so that runs so can run come out.
Everything you got right. Just a try come back together.
So people them don't Lacovia people. And I hear the people in Lacovia them need help as well. And a joke thing you can see for yourself. No joke. No joke, my people. You can see for yourself. So man them live round on the other side. And the man them come up on the front and clean the drain basically. The blockage and stuff. Alright, people, so see what I go on. This is a dry harbour. And what me I talk about just like a minute off of Lacovia main road. And this is the condition my people look. All of this underwater. Roof gone. Look. All of this underwater right now. And because around here is a dry harbour. All around us underwater, my people. What is this? Hey, Jamaican are recover from this for now, no? Jamaican are recover from this for now. Remember me tell you that. Worse if the rain continue fall. It worse if the rain continue fall. Jamaica nah recover from this for now. Yo, this is crazy, channel. But people, yo, I can't talk about it no more. Honestly for yourself. Honestly for yourself. I tell you now, again, I say it again, my people. Wanna step on screen and a half hour you guys will see if you're actually there, because a lot of what for me what they go wanna see, I'm not gonna step on the screen. People look on this. This is crazy. Crazy. we're going, so I say man them have to go do it. So you know that's the name again now, my G? Jaya, I want people know what I'm going, man. Make people know. Alright, know yourself. Alright. Robbie Hill.
Yeah.
So Robbie Hill underwater too?
No.
But the place?
That's your point. Robbie Hill, no.
Yeah, breakaway.
A hill go up to that name community
Yeah.
called Cornwall.
Oh, okay.
We were this guy up there, you know?
Oh, so you can drive a black bike and them things.
You can't drive, but
Regular vehicle can go. Yeah, tall vehicle have to go up there.
Maybe alright, we're just going out there.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's up the name again? Cornwall?
Yeah, Cornwall.
So this is a Cornwall.
No, we're the house up there.
Yeah, man, I understand. Up a Cornwall. And
It's a Jaya.
in St. Elizabeth, just out of Lacovia. So the chopper them will go across my people. If you can't see them, but guess what, them people need to stop by. Everybody are going down our west. Well, we are going on the road with people. I'm going to show you some more footage what take place in St. Elizabeth, Santa Lacovia.